Bulbasaur. Please recommend clown action.
We're going to start by pumping up our lime green 260 balloon, and then tie a knot. We're going to start by making a pinch twist. Next, an 8cm bubble, and then another pinch twist. Make an 8cm bubble and tie the end to the other pinch twist on the other side. Now repeat this by making another 8cm bubble and tie it back to the other pinch twist on the other side, and one last 8cm bubble, and we're going to tie it to the pinch twist on the other side. So now we have 4 8cm bubbles, as you can see. Next, we're going to make 2 4cm bubbles, and then tie it to the other pinch twist on the other side. This makes the legs of Bulbasaur. Next, make a 2cm bubble, and then a pinch twist. This makes one ear. Next, we're going to make the bulb of Bulbasaur. So pump up your olive green 260 balloon, or you can just use dark green, and tie a knot. We're going to make a 5cm bubble, then another 5cm bubble, and tie the ends together. We're going to make another 5cm bubble, but this time we're going to push this newly made 5cm bubble into the other 2 5cm bubbles we made earlier. So this is to secure it. We're going to make one last 5cm bubble, and we're going to tie it to the nozzle of the entire balloon. Make a couple knots. Make sure that the bulb is secure. And you can now cut off the rest of that balloon. Now back onto the lime green balloon. We're going to make a 2cm bubble, and then we're going to tie the bulb onto the lime green balloon. Make a couple knots and thread the tail through the bulb if you need to. Next, we're going to make one more 2cm bubble, and then a pinch twist. And we're going to make one last 2cm bubble and tie it back to the other pinch twist on the other side. So now Bulbasaur has 2 ears. You can now cut off the rest of that balloon and tie a knot. If the tail is long enough, feel free to drag the tail to the other pinch twist and just wrap it around a bit just to secure the entire thing. And the twisting part is complete. Onto the drawing. We're going to grab a black marker and we're going to outline the eyes. Feel free to follow along or just find a reference on the internet. Then we're going to draw the little eyebrows, then the nostrils, and a wide mouth. Use a red marker to color in the eyes. And use a white marker to color in the highlights and the eye whites. Next, we're going to grab a dark gray marker and we're going to draw on the spotted patterns on Bulbasaur. Isn't it so easy? And your Balloon Bulbasaur is complete!
Oh, I love Balloon Bulbasaur. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.